God our Father, your power brings us to birth. Your providence guides our lives, and by your command, we return to dust. Lord, those who die still live in our dear presence, your lives changed but to not end. I pray hope for our family, relatives, and friends, and for all that have known to you alone. In company with Christ, who died and lives now, and now lives. May they rejoice in your kingdom, where all our tears are wiped away. Unite us together again in our one family, to sing your praise forever and ever. Under the rest, grant unto them, O Lord, and let perpetual light shine upon them. May they rest in